Got you guys today a 2012 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter Ford F-150. Beautiful truck, SVT. We left the stock converters on it. One here, one here. Then the customer brought a ROUSH bolt-on system, but we don't like bolt-on systems, so we weld everything. Because, as you know, if you're familiar with exhaust, clamps leak, and we don't like that, so we weld everything. There's the ROUSH muffler right there, where it says ROUSH. Then a 3-inch tailpipe. There's the system, complete system right there. Two 4-inch ROUSH tips. Everything's nice and welded. Won't leak, won't fall off, nothing. The Raptor SVT 6.2 liter 2012. The system that came off of it, our original factory system, comes with a resonator. 2012 Ford F-150 Raptor 6.2 liter. Got that rhino lining paint. Looks awesome. One-off truck. He's about to get a 4-inch lift on it too. So when we got done on it for you guys, still got the stock converters. Then it's widened to a single 3-inch dual 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER Super 10, nice and small, and then dumped down right there. We will let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it today. Really good. Nice and throaty. Beast mode! Ford Raptor SVT. Let me guess again. Let you guys hear on the inside.